Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name is Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through this week's trades and what's triggered in, what the results have been, and how many pips we could have taken from these trades. So this week we've had quite a few intraday trades trigger, and we've had one longer term trade which is currently in play right now, which is one of our breakout strategies. So I'm going to show you the members area where the analysis is provided each day, and then we're going to take you through the trades and sort of take you through what's been in and what's not. So let's go to the members area first. So in the members area, which is just here, if you've watched any of our previous videos, you'll know this already. But this is where we sort of provide our technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a daily basis. In addition to this members area, we have a trading algorithm for day trading entries. And in addition to the algorithm, we have one-to-one mentoring, which we provide on a weekly basis to all of our clients. So coming to the members area, we have our daily chart analysis here, which we provide for each currency pair each week. Different chart every single week. And then we have our important trading zones, which are our intraday trading levels, which we then provide every single day. So you get a minimum of 3 to 4 trading levels per currency pair per day, and you'll get at least one daily chart per currency pair per week. So therefore you should be getting lots of trading opportunities in order for you to take. So the longer term trade, which is actually currently still in play, is based on the BPC. We can read it on the chart just here. It says BPC if we can close above the trend line. BPC stands for breakout, pullback and continuation. Okay, so to show you on the chart, go to the Aussie. This is the trend line. I've just done the same one. What we had is we had the breakout here on the Wednesday, pulled back yesterday, entered in, and the price is about 40 pips higher at the moment. So trade pretty much is around break even right now for majority of our clients in terms of pulling the stop loss to break even is what I mean. We're about 40-45 pips in profit. So the target on this trade is about 7,200. That is the actual target. Okay. Let's take you now to the important zones. The important zones here you're looking at are all the intraday trading levels. So let me take you through these levels and give you an understanding of what's triggered in. So we've had, on the euro actually, we've had 3 sell zones trigger. I've indicated the yellow line, sorry, the white line, as to where you would be matching up to the sell zones and taking them. This is based on our daily chart analysis. I'm going to scroll up and show you that one now. So it says on the euro, you match to sell zones on the algorithm. So look, resistance and supply areas, clearly defined on the chart, match to sell zones on the algorithm. Doesn't get any clearer than that. You can see resistance supply. So this particular area, which was 1280, which was on the 61.8 fib, we said to clients to match that to sell zones all week long. You can see sell zone, sell zone, sell zone every single time. Every single time. Okay. So we've had 3 sell zones trigger in there. They're therefore about 20 pips each. Yeah, 20 to 25 pips each. So every single time that's gone to hit target. Okay, so that's 75 pips from 3 of those zones right there. Then we had on dollar yen, we had a major cap zone trigger, which was provided as an important zone at the beginning of the day. This one triggered here at 1085 on the Wednesday. And see in the end goes to hit its target quite easily. It's 100 pips now racked up just on intradays. On the Aussie, we had 2 trigger this week. One was a winner, one was a loser. First we had the winner here on the sell zone, and then yesterday we had the loser here on the buy zone. But the longer term trade for the Aussie is in play right now. Yep. So that would have easily made up for that buy zone, and currently around 40-45 pips in profit. So it's actually cancelled it out, and that's a good thing about the longer terms, because the risk to reward is much better than the short terms. And then on the NZD we had another sell zone just in here. So in terms of pips racked up, we're looking around 140 pips racked up so far this week. If the trade on the Aussie goes to hit target, it would be an extra 50 pips, so you'll be looking at almost 200 pip week. So it's a very, very good week indeed. Essentially what we're doing here is we're providing you access to the analysis and algorithm through a completely free consultation. So just pop your details on our homepage, name, email, phone number, book consultation. We'll basically share our screen, show you everything there is to show on the algorithm and the members area, take you through how our one-to-one mentoring is done, and just see if it's going to be a right fit for you or not, essentially. But otherwise I just really want to thank you for watching today's video. Really appreciate it, and we look forward to speaking to you next week. Have a wonderful weekend, and don't forget to like and subscribe.